Imagine your oscilloscope experience, redefined. Introducing the Agilent Infinivision 4000X series oscilloscope. The new 4000X series are engineered for next-generation performance, delivering waveform update rates 20 times faster than the competition, to display the most signal detail on an industry-leading 12.1-inch capacitive touchscreen, coupled with a fully upgradable 5 instruments in one. The 4000X series provide maximum investment protection. Experience the speed with an amazing 1 million waveform updates per second, 20 times faster than other oscilloscopes in its class. There are many design innovations in the 4000X series that you won't actually see, but you'll certainly experience. For example, we developed a proprietary MegaZoom 4 ASIC smart memory technology. Because of this, the 4000X series won't slow down even with digital channels, protocol decoding, measurements, and math functions turned on. With standard segment memory architecture, the 4000X series captures greater selective signal detail over very long time periods. Experience the usability. The 4000X series makes every aspect of working with a powerful oscilloscope amazingly convenient and fast. It's loaded with an intuitive graphical user interface to increase your speed to insight. With all new Infiniscan Zone Touch trigger, if you can see it, you can trigger on it. The touch environment makes it simple to touch and drag cursors and select measurements with dynamic sidebar panels. Most features and settings can be operated in 3 ways: traditionally from the front panel, by touch, and through a drop-down spark menu. Experience the integration. The 4000X series provides unprecedented investment flexibility. It integrates oscilloscope bandwidth up to a class-leading 1.5 GHz, 16 digital channels, integrated dual-channel arbitrary waveform generator, integrated digital voltmeter, and a serial protocol analyzer. This 5-in-1 instrument integration is also fully upgradable. The 4000X series also has class-leading application support for 10 serial bus triggers and decodes. With the new 4000X series, we set out to not only redefine oscilloscopes, but to redefine the oscilloscope experience. The result? No other oscilloscope in its class can touch it, but you can. Experience the entire Infinivision X series family of oscilloscopes redefined